Good morning, dear student. How are you all today? I hope you all will be fine at home. Myself, Aisha Tabassum, as your social study teacher, welcome you all again. Today, I will teach class 7th E History, chapter number 1, that is when, where and how. So student, before starting the class, I have a notice for you. It is informed you that stationery shops are open and you can purchase your books and copy from the shop and complete your work on fair copy. Okay? So let's start our topic, that is sources of history. In this lesson, we are going to study the sources of medieval Indian history. Student, first of all, I will tell you what is sources. Sources means the medium or the way through which we can get information. The sources of history is divided into two parts: archaeological sources and literary sources. For the medieval period, there is an abundance of both these sources. The monument constructed during this period still stand as witness, and the books written during this period are available to us in readable condition. So let's start first sources, that is archaeological sources. Temples, mosques, fort, palaces, tombs, coins, tools, weapons, ornaments and paintings are the major archaeological sources for any period. They give an idea of the social, art, political and economic history of the time. Temples, mosques, forts and palaces were built by various kings during their time. These monuments tell us about the engineering skills of the architect and brilliance of artists of those times. Painting tell us about the customs, food habit and dressing style of that period. The inscription tell us about the social, political and economic condition of the medieval period. Second is literary sources. During the medieval period, paper gradually become cheaper and easily available. So the number and variety of textual record increased dramatically during this period. Literary sources means written sources. Medieval period includes religious literature, the work and commentaries on the previous classical text such as Smritis, Dharma Sutra and Puran. Ramcharitmanas of Tulsidas was written during the medieval period. So student, I hope you all have understood this topic. Now, here is homework for today. You all have to write answer of this question. Describe any archaeological sources of the medieval part in India. Student, stationery shops are open. You can purchase your books and copies from the shop and complete your work on fair copy. So student, with this I end my class today. Goodbye.